Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Tricks. I have an amazing recipe of steam roast today. So let's start the preparation for that. We have chicken here dipped in salt, vinegar and water for 15 minutes. And turmeric here. This is the food color and that's optional. If you want to skip it, you can. Coriander powder, cumin powder, chili flakes, chili powder, black pepper, carom seeds, and here we have hot spices, chaat masala, and some salt. Next we have garlic and ginger paste, yogurt and lemon juice. Now these are all the ingredients we will be using for our steam roast. So the first step is the marination of our chicken. Now add lemon juice first. And then we're gonna add garlic and ginger paste. Yogurt, and now add all the remaining spices and mix it well and perfectly, and you can leave the marination up for about 3 to 4 hours. Take a wok and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we're gonna add marinated chicken in this wok. And here we're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. And now after 10 minutes, it looks exactly like this. We're gonna change its sides. It's a very healthy steam roast as we are preparing it by using minimal oil. And then again we're gonna cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it looks like this. Now we are pouring half cup of milk here and again cover it for 10 minutes. And now after 10 minutes, it's the exact look. We're gonna change its sides again. And now is the time to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil again. And after adding some oil, we're gonna cover it again for about 20 minutes. But in between, do not forget to change its sides so that the chicken don't burn. And the heat should be low. It should be cooked on a very low heat. And it's done, guys. We're gonna dish it out. So that's the final look of our steam roast. And you can serve it with mint raita. And you must have loved this recipe. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.